Before you tell yourself you'll start over on Monday, give me the next few minutes because this, right now, is your Friday fix. Tonight is where you break the loop. Not on Monday, not on New Year's, not when life calms down, but tonight. If the week drained you, disappointed you, or dragged you into old habits, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll leave with a 10-minute reset ritual, a new identity for the weekend, and a moment of clarity your future self will remember. There's a reason people feel lost on Fridays. All week you're reacting. You got deadlines, messages, obligations, noise, pressure, expectations. Then Friday night hits, and suddenly the world gets quiet enough that you finally hear yourself again. And what you do in that quiet moment determines the tone of your entire weekend and the momentum of your entire next week. Tonight isn't about fixing everything. It's about making one powerful, intentional shift that tells your brain, we're not stuck. We're stepping forward. This is your micro reset. Simple, clean, transformational. Most people end the week in emotional chaos. I should have done more. I wasted too much time. I'm falling behind. That's drama. And drama kills progress. Tonight we switch to data. Cold, clear, honest data. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. Let the week replay like a quiet highlight film. Now ask yourself, what did I do well this week? Big or small? Your brain needs evidence that you're improving. Did you walk more? Did you stay consistent? Did you handle something you wanted to avoid? Honor the win, even if it's tiny. Number 2, where did you drift? Not fail, not collapse, but drift. Where did you lose focus? Where did you choose comfort over intention? Where did you let someone else's energy overpower your own? Number 3, what did this week teach you about your own needs? Do you need more rest, more structure, more honesty, more boundaries, more water, more silence, more support? This is not judgment. It's clarity, and clarity is power. Identity over intention. Here's the truth. Most people treat the weekend like an escape hatch. They sprint through the week, collapse on Friday, disconnect on Saturday, and wake up on Monday feeling behind again. You're done with that. Tonight you shift from weekend escape mode to weekend identity mode. Ask yourself, who am I choosing to be this weekend? Not, what am I doing? Not, where am I going? Not, what plans do I have? Who am I being? That's what you want to ask. Visualize the version of you who's building the life you want. How do they rest? How do they recharge? How do they spend their time? How do they treat their body? How do they protect their peace? How do they show up for the people they love? How do they show up for themselves? Now turn that into 2 concrete moves. 1 boundary. An example would be, I'm not saying yes to plans that drain me. I'm not losing half my weekend doom scrolling. I'm protecting my morning routine. And then you got 1 upgrade. Examples of those would be a 20-minute walk, a healthier dinner option, cleaning your space, reading 10 pages of some type of text that you've been trying to get after, going to bed on time. Small changes create large momentum. You don't have to transform your life in a weekend. You just have to stop abandoning the person you're becoming. This is your weekly reset. Nothing complicated. Just 10 minutes that change the tone of your entire weekend. Step 1, you got the 2-minute mental dump. Set a timer. Just 2 minutes. Write down anything sitting in your head, whether it's stress, loose ends, task, worries, random thoughts, things you meant to do. Don't sort it. Don't judge it. Just unload it. Your mind can't relax while it's carrying all of that. Step 2, choose your big 3. Look at your list and pull out just 3 priorities. One task your future self will thank you for, something small but meaningful, like, let's say, cleaning something up, paying something, finishing something, preparing something. And then one thing for your body, whether it's to move it, to nourish it, to restore it. And then one thing for your mind, your soul, journaling, sitting quietly, reading, meditating, calling someone who centers you. These 3 choices give your weekend direction without controlling every minute. Step 3, the 5-minute proof. Before you go to bed tonight, take one tiny action towards any of those 3. 5 minutes, that's it. If it's a task, start it. If it's for your body, prep clothes, fill water, take a short walk. If it's for your mind, breathe. Write 1 sentence, read 1 page. Why 5 minutes? Because your brain doesn't trust promises. It trusts evidence. 5 minutes is proof. Proof creates momentum. Momentum wins the weekend. A weekend is a bridge, not an escape. Here's the hidden cheat code successful people use all the time. They don't start their week on Monday. They launch it from the weekend. The weekend is a runway to recover, to recalibrate, to upgrade, to realign, to recommit. Ask yourself, what one thing can I do this weekend that makes Monday easier? Lay out my clothes, prep some food, organize my space, plan my workout, schedule my appointments, clean my mental environment, my headspace. One step changes everything. One moment of clarity can replace an entire week of chaos. Make Monday grateful for the choices you make tonight. So to wrap everything up, you don't need a new year. You don't need a big breakthrough. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need one intentional moment, like this one. This is your Friday Fix recap. Data, not drama. Identity, not autopilot. 1 boundary plus 1 upgrade. Your 10-minute ritual. 1 action tonight builds momentum. If this helped, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Save this video for next Friday's ritual. You're doing better than you think. You're closer than you realize. Tonight, you just proved you're not giving up on yourself. I'm Fish, and this is the Cosmic Ballet. Change your rhythm, change your mindset, but most importantly, change your life.